Nemete twakwanire nkoyo engaki entambe twarigeri chigosori chia Gusii iga chigosori chia Shabana twarigeri FKF Premier League twarigeri English Premier League ati echinde konde rero igo mwancho murigeri asense me yentangana into bito kwandire gosori ya chess uchakari tukuria mambi ego timu kurorongo rwa Gusii yabana inse myaka 15 nebere nebe kwenda sense moya Uasin County ase skuru ya Moi Girls Eldoret ase chigosori echwekerengo ne Kia Nationals abana abankor Gusii iga bena cheire etiquette yo kwenda sense mil na rero iga nimbwate gati ya bali bauchikwenda sense mil ya Moi Girls Eldoret ekerengo Kia Nationals maigo yoko bwa sense mil ya South Nyanza no bara iga ase studio ndabe tokorukanike Gusii geke Geswahili geke Gesongo geke ilinde banyali gukona kutusomia mange igoro ya Gosiri. So welcome to the studio. Congratulations for qualifying to the chess finals. So nitaanza na wewe utuambie jina lako, shule yako na utaenda katika kiwango kile cha nationals katika kategori ipi?
Thank you. Nitaanza kwa kusema jina langu ni Ruel Kiplagat kutoka shule la St. Vincent de Paul, Mtakatifu Vincenti. Yes, I qualified for the nationals with 6 points, and I'm going to make something greater in the nationals. I want after the nationals I go to I just go to the Liberia.
African Continental.
Yeah, African Continental. Yeah, I go to Liberia for Africa, the whole Africa, and after that I think it's either Dubai or Russia.
I know you have a big dream. I know mararabwa tanda kia kone kipuna kuruldo. I think of wali na kogendera. Na kila kote na niga nyalite kukense mo ya nationals. Mago tu wara chipointi sano nemo. Nyorob na sense meri ya regionals, South Nyanza regionals. Nigo bara koso lichira undi sano nemo. Na kere round ige wate pointi ya yemo asomo bui. Igo kera wate chipointi sano nemo. Nige minatibura niga wate chikoso lichai chionsi pi chia chess na chess na rocha ucho bora iga. Nere koso limanyika ine puna chess. Ovo tario boche boli webi bange osebwe bimunekero bya chichuba eyen chess ese kerege ento gya chess ki wate ngencho yaye turabeto komanya go ikero mweli bwensemeye. Now it's your turn. First and foremost, you are very young. Yes. What category are you, and how did you get yourself to the nationals?
Well, thank you. First, my name is Chris Jones. My school is called Pink Premier Academy. I started playing chess when maybe I was 6 years old. And then when I played chess, first I did not have any board. I told my father to get for me a board. From that day, I started learning chess until I told my father I should go maybe to a competition of chess. And then he said that I'll not be ready, but I said I'll be ready. And then I was able to defeat. So I'm thinking when I go to the nationals, it will be good. I'll not have to be worried because I'll win.
I know nigaro mungaini sana ndaka gosole ya chess igesonge kanoti abuna ndake tatu mwabo ta wate kusemeli bino mwana ye nanya rekobwase South Nyanza ise chiskuru chinge kolende akanyara kuba kondo mwancho moligeli na muroche gakogosoli na igento andake ikake wana wairira akeigo na nja akanyara konkeresa gosoli yeye na mbuete litukelio mwana yo mokebuno muroche igo yokera konda nationals igo manyana omwana ole omuoge mwana sana kwena kibuna se gosoli yeye na bega gokoli buja sana. In fact, that day you defeated me.
Yes.
Will you defeat me today? Now we have another game here. Will you win today?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, we are live on TV. We'll see before the end of the match whether you will win. But now, hii mchezo tumeona ni mchezo ambayo si watu wengi wanajua mchezo huu. Si wanafunzi wengi kama nyinyi wanajua mchezo huu. Unaona kila kitu iko na maana yake. Maybe Chris, what's the name of this one?
Queen.
This is a queen.
Yes.
And then for you, Ruel, show me a knight.
Knight.
Yeah, and also why is your knight?
My knight.
Then show me a pawn.
A pawn.
Yeah.
Here's a pawn.
Where is your king? Mwancho murigereri abe gosubye yere igo kire gento kibwatiri etariaye na kire gento ikikibwate enchera kiranyare ko bakiguswa imbiro robi kwenda bigosuka step ya momoto step ya momaega ngero roye konyara gutume binde igoro kire gento kibwate chinguru au labda wewe unaweza kujifunzaje mchezo huu ambao wengine wanasema ni mgumu? Ulijifunza vipi?
Yes, nilianza mchezo huu nikikuwa darasa la 5.
Kwa sasa uko la ngapi?
8.
La 8, okay.
Baba yangu ndio he introduced me to this game, and I tried to nurture it until now. I'm in levels, so I'm in under 13 right now, and I think I'm better there.
And for you, Chris, it was not tough when you were learning this game, when you were very new. You don't know anything about this game. You are beginning. How was the experience?
Well, the experience was good, but when I started practicing with my father, it was very tough. Until now, it was not tough. It was very easy for me to be able to play.
You don't confuse. You see, this is a bishop. Yes. It moves diagonally. There's this a knight. Sometimes it can move. It uses a shape of 7 when it is moving. You don't confuse them. You cannot confuse any of the move.
No.
Why? Practice.
Yes, I practice a lot.
Okay. But now I know mwancho mwarigeri mbanya alitewe somya wasuri bakanyemanya na kwa kwenda bara sensemo area Eldoret tasesemo ya nationals. Labda wewe umeweza kujiandaa kwa finali ambazo ni kule Eldoret. Tumejiandaa vipi kwa sababu ushindani utakuwa mkali?
Yes, nimejiandaa vizuri. We usually train at school there. We have games captain we have those boards there. So we usually train after games from 4 to 5. And I think I'm good. Even if I don't play chess, I still have the content in my head. Yeah, and I have that courage that I will win.
You've got that courage.
Yeah.
Maybe for you, Chris Jones, in this game of chess, what do you enjoy most about this game?
Well, I enjoy just to play because I love this chess. I love how they created it. Sometimes even I think who created chess.
Well, what do you appreciate about the person who created it? What do you learn through this chess?
I learned through this chess that it helps you to learn many things. It can help you in mathematics. It can help you in a little subjects.
So if I play it, I'll be well in maths.
Yes.
Mwancho muri ninjenga ndense mo school. Njiko soma maths. Lakini njetini ko gitabu kya maths. Ko gore board ya chess yo ka bande brekera wo chess chess ye oko babu ya maths ona njira vonda chikoba ingokora igo. I know Chris Jones has said that when you play this game, you become also sharp in class. For you, what's the experience in class after playing chess?
In class, this game helps you to calculate if, somebody moves and you have to question, why did he move here? And what attack can he do? That helps you in mental IQ, and it helps you in class. Even a move like this one is not just, you have to calculate. If someone does like this and you fall into his trap like this one then is gone.
Wow, I never saw it.
That's why you must calculate in this game, and it helps me real much. In mathematics.
For example, Ruel, I know you said every move it opens many possibilities. Let's say it was my turn to play.
Yes.
Then I played this way. What do you make about my move if I've moved this way? What do you think I'm thinking about playing next?
About playing next, most they're opening for this route, or they're opening for their queen in case of any danger, because if there's a false mate, which the queen can come in and a checkmate. So they are opening for the king, they are opening for the knight here. It's not good to move here, but the knight here. And mostly you have to protect this piece. You have to locate the center square piece, the center of the game. So the most moves you must have to locate this square. Yeah.
Mwancho murieli aya sioko raigangwe tere gosori ya chess owato umanyi bwa imesana na abana bake bakonya konsemba sembi binte bingoro ya gosori ya birie bikema itena nje banyara ko baba commenta na nyore gosori ya chess gosori ya chagite myake mekoro ngakiye chisege chiri chinkoro igatiye ense ya monense yende nero yari gotumeku kwena kibuna omubegu arachaiga na kinche na kitokwirenda umubegu utanyara gutobwa na boy gosche na ke chese yere enseme ye genseme mote birabu enseme ni gatwale bimwamu bikonya ko gosori ase egosori. But now I'm saying our time is really moving and we need to wrap this segment that we had with you. So maybe what is your final remark or your promise? I'll begin with you, Chris Jones, as you go to the nationals. Your father did not trust in you in the regionals, but now you're going to the nationals. what do you promise, or what will you do in the nationals?
Well, in the nationals, maybe if I win, now I'll ask my father for another coach. Because
You don't want your father to be a coach any longer?
see, I've been defeating him a lot of times, so I think maybe I should have another hard coach.
So mwana wewe utabona ga kuvuga. Ese mwa nationals tato mwabo. Lero bire coach okomoro kie gosule kunde ga kuvuga. Au teba uchuchinja uti tato mwabo na akobutire gasi. Ndigeria coach ngawe wasinyi resa ngyobono wanza bire bande yanko kovugande. So your father, now what will your father be doing if now you sack him as your coach?
Well, he'll just be looking out for me. Maybe he'll be helping me a little bit.
And paying your school fees.
Yes.
And wewe kwa sehemu yako Ruel, umeenda mashindano wakati mwingi, wakati kwa nationals, labda unaweza kutoa ahadi gani kwa shule yako ukienda katika hiyo nationals?
I want to make a promise that I will win that chess. It's not about seeing where the person moves, it's about seeing his possibilities. And that chess, I believe that I will win. I believe.
Thank you and all the best. I also believe.
Yeah.
And last now, Chris Jones, as now we wrap up, what do you have to tell to that kid watching you now who may wish to learn chess, or I want you to persuade or convince another kid out there to watch chess, looking at that camera?
Well, there's a easy move that you can move, and then it will be checkmate all faster. First, you must move maybe a pawn here. Maybe somebody will move it here.
Let's say he moves here, okay?
Now there's another way. Now you must aim somewhere. You will aim here to this pawn.
Yes, so you'll be attacking this pawn.
Yes, and then I come here. Maybe you will try. Maybe.
Let's say he moves this way.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you will eat. That's checkmate.
That's the full speed.
And then now he will take your queen.
No.
Oh, it's protected. You saw it coming. So all the best in your careers. This is chess. Ene gosori engia. Na ene same time to watena avana watu bonga ini obonge sana. Ni maite ngono mutumo komo keigo. Mbati gale bagosiana na aige korenda sense mo ya kabere. Ntobe no moibori ye Chris Jones. Oyo otebigo bunanda ke nabutu. Onyo mwono yo gakopwa set nationals. Na tutwale umwalimu ne coach ya St Vincent de Paul Orwell na baigana arobate yanda ikorwa nsemo y'искuru nkirikira akoru kwanda kibune gosole yene era y'искuru kinga buno to wikero mwali bwense meyentangani omutima komokeigo koira na tole tosanga mange.